Yes, pricing. It refers to a situation in which price is fixed below the market price. Price is fixed below the market price by the order of the government, and the loss of the producer is covered by the government through the subsidies, right? So this is originated due to the due to helping the farmers, generally farmer and poor people of the society, right? That is why this price ceiling and price flooring is topics are generated by the economics, right? Price ceiling means it refers to a situation, it refers to a situation in which producer sell their product below the market price, market or normal price. The loss of the producer is covered through the subsidies. Now we can prove it with the help of diagram. This is normal price at E point, but producers were forced to sell at P1 price, which is below the normal market price. At this price there is a high demand of the product. For example, we can give you an LPG cylinder, right? Fertilizer, pesticide, right? Machinery, subsidized loan to the farmers price, and demand and supply. Demand and supply, or we can call it output. Right, see, this is called price flooring, right? According to table, initial price is OP, and OP is at OP price demand and supply is equal to E point, my dear student, and OQ is output. OQ is output, right? But by the order of the government, a producer fails to sell the product at OP1 price because it is the will of the government. So at this price, there is always excess demand. There is always excess demand. We find here excess demand and supply is less. Excess demand will be generated and supply will be less, right? So this is the case of price flooring, and this is initiated to help the farmers of the country. The next part is price flooring. It means, it refers to situation in which producer sells good at a very high price. In the market, right? This price is higher than the market price. of the product. But by the order of the government, farmers are getting its benefit. MSP is fixed, and this MSP is many times more than the market price of the product, like wheat, rice, oil, etc., seeds, etc., oil seed pulses, etc. So, my dear student, in this case, this situation in which producers sell goods at high price, very high price in the market. This price is higher than the market price of the product. We can say price flooring. We can say price flooring means when price of the product fixed at high rate by the order of government of the country. Correct. We can explain it with the help of this diagram. Now, price, supply. Price, supply. According to this diagram, initial price is OP, price of the market is OP, right? And supply is OQ, equilibrium is at E point. But at this price, producers are not selling the goods, producers are selling the goods at OP1 price in the market. This price is government controlled price, and this product is available in at this price in the market, right? So here we find situation of excess supply. Here we find situation of excess supply. Excess supply. So this price is fixed by the government in order to protect the farmers and producers, small scale producers, or you can say traders. Okay, my dear student, this is the last case of price flooring, and your syllabus topic was the last. So microeconomics is completed. Thank you. Good day.